I welcome you in the name of Jesus Christ to the Module 1 of the School of Ministry. And in this section, I want to give you the update of the outline that you will be having in this module. The first thing is this: we want to look at what is ministry. Next thing is how to discover your ministry. So then we're going to be looking at the minister. And under the minister, we're going to be looking at the qualities of a good minister of Jesus Christ. We're going to be looking at personal development for ministers. We're going to be looking at the yardstick for measuring a true ministry. We're going to be looking at the mandate that God gives to every minister. Then also we're going to be looking at the practical guide to fulfilling your God-given ministry. So it's going to be impactful and educative. So come along with us. God bless you.